it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on our channel. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to make a video call on Telegram. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app and to make a video call on Telegram, first I'm gonna choose a random group, for example, this one. Now we're gonna tap on the name of the group. And after that, we're going to tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Here, a list of options will appear. And as you see here, we have Start Video Chat. And I just wanted to be a reminder, this option won't appear unless you're the owner of the group or you're an admin on this group. So here, tap on Start Video Chat. And here, you can, if you want to start it now, just tap on Start Video Chat. But if you want to schedule the video chat, then just tap on Schedule Video Chat and schedule when you want to start that video chat. For example, if you wanted to start today, but let's say, for example, you want to start at 9 p.m. And then once you're done, then just tap on Start Today at 9 p.m. But if you want to start it like now, then just tap on Start Video Chat. And as you see here, the video chat has been started. If you want to turn on the camera, then you can just tap on the camera to make a video call. But to unmute the mic, then you can just tap on mute. And now to end the video chat, you can just tap on the three dots and then hit End Video Chat from the very bottom. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.